In this video, we're going to take a broad look at DiLytics' Property Management Insight solution for Oracle Analytics Cloud. So what does the Property Management Insight solution offer users? With this solution, users are able to analyze the number of leases executed, commenced, and terminated over time and across different locations. They're also able to gain insight into property occupancy by inspecting the percentage of occupied versus vacant properties across locations. Users also get visibility into payments by looking at customer billing and supplier payment amounts over time, locations, properties, and customers and suppliers. Finally, users also get insight into recovery via KPIs like actual pro rata share, as well as billed and reconciled amount. This solution has been tailor-made for professionals working in roles related to the Department of Housing and Urban Development, state housing groups, offices of mayors and city councils, directors of port authorities, and private realty and property groups. But what does the customer get with this solution? Well, they get access to pre-built data visualizations, reports, and dashboards, as well as pre-packaged property management metrics, pre-integrated data from Oracle EBS, and the ability to perform ad hoc analysis. The solution is deployed by provisioning Oracle Analytics Cloud or servers before deploying the Property Management Insight objects and then loading data from Oracle eBusiness Suite. And this entire deployment is able to occur within weeks. We'll now take a look at a small sample of the reports you'll receive with this solution. The first report concerns the number of properties by occupancy status. This breakdown by status is available in a holistic view for all properties in a pie chart, and the tabular view allows us to see this breakdown in a state-by-state view. Property analysis related to monthly rent is also available with this solution. In the second report, we get to see the number of leases expiring over each month for the next 6 months. This graph allows customers to easily determine when they will have major increases in their number of vacant properties and prepare accordingly. All leases set to terminate within this time frame are also listed in detailed tabular view just below the column chart with information on the lease number and name, property name and location, and the termination date. More lease information is available on the third report, which focuses on the number of leases commenced in a year-over-year analysis. The table on the far left allows us to see the number of leases commenced for every year that business has been conducted. And the table in the center allows us to focus on a certain year and get a month-by-month lease commencement breakdown for that year and the year before it. This month-by-month analysis is also presented in a graphical view on the right side, with the column chart showing proportional comparisons between the current and previous years for each month. This is just a small taste of the wide array of different analyses available in this solution related to lease executions, commencements, and terminations. Moving on to the fourth report, we get to take a look at customer billing amount by month and year. The table on the left gives us a year-by-year breakdown of total customer billing, and the graph on the right then enables us to see a month-by-month breakdown of customer billing for a selected year. The bars represent the total amount billed, and the line represents the number of leases associated with these billings. Property Management Insight also gives users access to supplier payment information, so you can analyze both your revenue and costs. The final report examines recovery with a table tracking yearly actual pro rata share, billed recovery, reconcile amount, and percentage estimated. We even get to see actual pro rata share as columns and percentage estimated as a line in the graph on the right, offering a more visually informative view of the data. The recovery section also gives insight into budgeting. We hope you found this introduction to the Property Management Insight solution interesting and engaging. Check out DiLytics solutions on Oracle Cloud Marketplace. Please contact us if you want to learn more about the solution. We'd be more than happy to do a complimentary demo.